Dive into the Dizzle, exploring Snoop Dogg's musical legacy. Uncover the untold story of a rap legend as you delve into Snoop Dogg's incredible journey. From the gritty streets of Long Beach to the dazzling heights of hip-hop stardom, Snoop's life is a testament to talent, resilience, and transformation. His story promises to captivate and inspire. Meet Snoop Dogg, a name that echoes through the annals of hip-hop history. Known for his smooth flow, distinctive voice, and laid-back persona, Snoop has become synonymous with not just a genre, but a cultural movement. His influence extends far beyond music, making him a true icon. Snoop Dogg's roots trace back to Long Beach, California, where he grew up amid the challenges of urban life. It was here that he first discovered his passion for rap, using music as an escape and a means of self-expression. These early experiences would shape his future career. The turning point in Snoop Dogg's career came when Dr. Dre discovered his unique talent. Their collaboration on the track Deep Cover marked Snoop's first major breakthrough, catapulting him into the spotlight. This partnership would prove to be a pivotal moment, setting the stage for his subsequent success. Snoop Dogg's debut album, Doggy Style, hit the rap scene in the 90s with unprecedented impact. The album's innovative sound, combined with Snoop's charismatic delivery, resonated with audiences and critics alike. It solidified his place in hip-hop and influenced countless artists, becoming a cornerstone of the genre. Snoop Dogg's discography is a treasure trove of timeless hits that have become anthems for generations. Tracks like Gin and Juice not only topped the charts, but also became cultural touchstones, reflecting the laid-back yet gritty vibe of 90s West Coast rap. These classics continue to resonate today. As the years progressed, Snoop Dogg's musical style evolved, showcasing his versatility. From gangsta rap roots, he embraced more mainstream sounds, collaborating with diverse artists and experimenting with different genres. This transformation solidified his place not just in hip-hop, but in the broader music industry. Snoop's collaborations are legendary. Teaming up with artists like Pharrell and Tupac, he created some of the most memorable tracks in hip-hop history. These partnerships not only expanded his musical horizons, but also introduced him to new audiences, further cementing his status as an industry icon. In a surprising career move, Snoop Dogg explored the world of reggae, rebranding himself as Snoop Lion. This genre crossover showcased his ability to adapt and innovate, earning him a new legion of fans and proving that his musical prowess transcends conventional boundaries. Beyond music, Snoop Dogg ventured into acting, making his mark in Hollywood. His roles in films and TV shows added another dimension to his already multifaceted career. Whether playing a gangster or a comical character, Snoop's on-screen presence captivated audiences, showcasing his natural talent and charisma. Snoop Dogg's entrepreneurial spirit extends far beyond music. He has ventured into the cannabis industry with his own brand, Leafs by Snoop, offering a range of premium products. Additionally, his cookbook From Crook to Cook showcases his culinary skills, blending his laid-back persona with a passion for food. Snoop's influence transcends music, permeating pop culture and fashion. From his signature style to his laid-back demeanor, he has set trends and inspired countless fans. His collaborations with top fashion brands and appearances on runways highlight his impact, making him a true cultural icon. Off-stage, Snoop Dogg is a devoted family man. He often shares glimpses of his life with his wife, Shantae, and their children. Beyond family, he enjoys hobbies like coaching youth football, demonstrating a commitment to community and fostering young talent through sports. Snoop's philanthropy is as noteworthy as his music career. He is deeply involved in charity work, supporting causes like youth sports and education. His Snoop Youth Football League has positively impacted many young lives, providing opportunities and guidance to aspiring athletes in underserved communities. One of Snoop's most iconic moments was his performance at the Super Bowl halftime show. Sharing the stage with other legends, he captivated millions with his energy and charisma. This performance not only celebrated his illustrious career, but also solidified his status as a timeless entertainer. Snoop Dogg has played a pivotal role in shaping the careers of many emerging rappers. His mentorship extends beyond mere advice. he actively collaborates and provides platforms for new talent to shine. This nurturing spirit has ensured the continuous evolution of hip-hop, cementing Snoop's influence on future generations. Social media has become one of Snoop Dogg's most powerful tools. Through platforms like Instagram and Twitter, he maintains a close connection with his fans. His humorous posts, insightful comments, and behind-the-scenes glimpses into his life keep millions engaged and entertained, reinforcing his status as a cultural icon. Snoop Dogg's voice transcends the boundaries of music. His distinctive tone and laid-back delivery resonate deeply with audiences worldwide, making him a unique voice of a generation. Whether addressing social issues or simply entertaining, Snoop's words carry weight and authenticity that few artists can match. Snoop Dogg's unique style is instantly recognizable. His fashion choices often blend streetwear with a touch of high-end flair, creating a look that's both approachable and aspirational. This distinctive style, combined with his relaxed persona, has made him a trendsetter in the hip-hop community and beyond. Snoop Dogg's lyrics are a tapestry of storytelling, wit, and cultural commentary. Songs like Gin and Juice and Drop It Like It's Hot showcase his ability to craft memorable lines that resonate with fans. His lyrical prowess has solidified his reputation as one of hip-hop's most talented and enduring wordsmiths. Snoop Dogg's unexpected collaborations have always kept fans on their toes. From teaming up with pop icons like Katy Perry on California Girls to diving into the punk realm with artists like Sum 41, Snoop's versatility knows no bounds, proving his ability to transcend musical genres effortlessly. The awards and accolades Snoop Dogg has accumulated over his career are a testament to his talent and influence. From Grammy nominations to BET Awards, his contributions to music, culture, and entertainment have been recognized and celebrated, solidifying his status as a true hip-hop legend. Snoop Dogg's live performances are electrifying experiences that captivate audiences worldwide. His charisma and stage presence bring his hits to life, creating unforgettable moments. Whether headlining festivals or intimate venues, Snoop's shows are a masterclass in engaging and energizing fans with his timeless music. Throughout his career, Snoop Dogg has faced numerous controversies. Despite the challenges, he has consistently shown resilience and growth, addressing issues head-on and emerging stronger. His ability to navigate and overcome obstacles has only added depth to his persona, endearing him further to his loyal fan base. Snoop Dogg's musical versatility is unparalleled, seamlessly adapting to various styles and genres. From gangsta rap to reggae and beyond, he continually reinvents himself while maintaining his signature sound. This adaptability has allowed Snoop to remain relevant and influential across multiple decades in the ever-evolving music industry. Snoop Dogg's voice acting has brought animated characters to life with his signature style. His roles in movies like Turbo and TV shows such as The Simpsons showcase his versatility and unique vocal talent, adding an extra layer of charisma to every character he portrays. Snoop Dogg's fan base is a testament to his universal appeal. From die-hard hip-hop enthusiasts to casual listeners, his music transcends age, race, and geography. His authenticity and relatability have fostered a loyal and diverse following that spans generations and continents. Snoop Dogg's music videos are known for their creativity and innovation. From the cartoonish world of What's My Name to the cinematic flair of Drop It Like It's Hot, Snoop consistently pushes the boundaries of visual storytelling, creating unforgettable experiences that complement his iconic tracks. Snoop Dogg's alter egos, like Snoopzilla and Snoop Lion, highlight his artistic versatility and willingness to explore new genres. These personas allow him to experiment with different musical styles and themes, showcasing his ability to reinvent himself while staying true to his roots. Snoop Dogg's influence on hip-hop fashion is undeniable. His laid-back style, characterized by oversized jerseys, bandanas, and signature accessories, has left a lasting impact on the industry. Snoop's fashion choices continue to inspire new trends, solidifying his status as a style icon in the world of music and beyond. Snoop Dogg has played a significant role as a mentor to emerging artists, sharing his wisdom and experience. From offering advice in the studio to featuring on tracks with newcomers, his influence has helped shape the careers of many rising stars. His mentorship extends beyond music, impacting various aspects of their lives. Snoop Dogg's collaborations with top producers like Pharrell Williams have resulted in iconic tracks that blend diverse styles. These partnerships have not only elevated Snoop's sound, but also showcased his versatility. Working with renowned producers has allowed him to stay relevant and innovative in the ever-evolving music industry. Reflecting on Snoop Dogg's lasting legacy in the music industry, it's clear he has left an indelible mark. His contributions span decades, influencing countless artists and constantly redefining hip-hop. Snoop's unique voice, style, and persona ensure his legacy will be celebrated for generations to come. Snoop Dogg's sense of humor and larger-than-life personality make him a beloved figure beyond music. His witty remarks and charismatic presence have endeared him to fans worldwide. Whether on social media or in interviews, Snoop's humor adds a relatable and entertaining dimension to his public persona. Snoop Dogg's memorable cameos in films and TV shows showcase his versatility as an entertainer. From comedy to drama, his on-screen appearances are always impactful and enjoyable. These cameos highlight his ability to seamlessly transition between music and acting, further solidifying his status as a multifaceted star. Snoop Dogg has extended his influence into podcasting and media with projects that showcase his charisma and wit. His ventures include hosting shows that delve into music, culture, and comedy, offering fans an intimate look at his perspectives and experiences. Snoop's media presence continues to expand his already impressive legacy. Snoop Dogg's international appeal is undeniable, with fans across the globe drawn to his unique voice and style. From performing at sold-out concerts in Europe to collaborating with artists worldwide, Snoop's influence transcends borders. His global reach underscores his status as a true icon in the music industry. The evolution of Snoop Dogg's sound reflects his versatility and adaptability. From his early days of gangsta rap to exploring reggae and funk, Snoop consistently reinvents himself while staying true to his roots. This dynamic evolution keeps his music fresh and relevant, captivating audiences across generations. Fans of Snoop Dogg often share heartwarming stories of their encounters with the rapper. Whether it's meeting him at a concert or receiving a shout-out on social media, these moments highlight Snoop's genuine connection with his audience. These personal interactions cement his place in the hearts of many. For more epic stories and musical journeys, subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel. Dive deeper into the lives of your favorite artists, discover new music, and engage with a community of passionate fans. Don't miss the chance to explore the rich tapestry of music history and culture.